So I get this question all the time. What is a remarketing pixel, or what is a pixel in general? So to break this down super easily, a pixel is something that you're going to place on your website. You're usually going to get a pixel from an ad network like Facebook or Google. Now this pixel is going to sit on your website and capture and store information from all the people who visit your site. Now the reason you want to do this is so you can then go and make audiences in your ad networks to do remarketing to these people or retargeting, either of those two. So it's really important that you set up your pixel on your website as early as possible. It's usually just a chunk of text or script or code, whatever you want to call it. You want to add that to your header of your website. There's also apps and plugins that you can add this, but as soon as you have a website up, go and put your pixel on there straight away, because the more data you have, the more options you're going to have for remarketing and also setting up a lot more ad campaigns. So go in, check out the options you have for adding pixels. Make sure you're adding your Facebook pixel and your Google pixel. Those are the two biggest ones and the most obvious ones to set up. We also use them the most. That's going to capture a huge percentage of the internet. So make sure you have those set up first.